Welcome to Learn English with Stories. Please like and subscribe for more fun lessons. My name is Anna. I am 24 years old. I live in a quiet town called Maplewood with my mother and my big brother. I work part-time in a small bookstore near the town square. I love my job because I get to meet many people and talk about books. One cold November morning, something very unusual happened. I woke up early because I had to open the bookstore at 9 a.m. As I checked my phone, I saw a message from my best friend, Jack. The message said, "Anna, please meet me in the park near the library at 10 a.m. I really need your help." I was surprised. Jack did not say why he needed help. I tried calling Jack, but his phone was off. I looked at the clock. It was 8:45 a.m. I quickly got dressed in my warm coat, scarf, and boots. I took my umbrella because the sky was gray and it looked like rain. At the park, I waited near the old wooden bench. After a few minutes, a little girl came to me. Her eyes were full of tears. She said, "I lost my doll. It is very special to me." I smiled gently and said, "Hello, my name is Anna. Maybe I can help you find it." She told me her name was Lily. Suddenly, my phone rang. It was Jack. His voice was scared. He said, "Anna, I am near the library, but I think someone is following me." I told him to stay where he was and I would come to him. I told Lily to wait by the bench and I ran to Jack. When I reached him, he looked worried and tired. He said the man had been watching him since morning. Together, we walked to the library security desk and told them everything. The security guard was very kind. He said, "Don't worry, we will check the cameras and look for that man." Jack looked a little calmer. After we talked to the guard, we went back to the park bench to help Lily. We looked under bushes and near the trees. After some time, we found her doll lying on the grass. Lily was very happy and gave me a big hug. Jack and I then went to the bookstore. We sat with warm cups of tea and talked about what happened. Jack said, "Thank you, Anna. You are a brave friend." I smiled and said, "We help each other. That is what friends do." Before the day ended, I felt very happy. Helping Jack and Lily made me feel strong and kind. I learned that even small actions can make a big difference. Thank you for listening to my story. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing your English.